Listen, listen. Crunchy and soft in the same time. This flame is what is gonna cook our pizzas. So let's go ahead right away. Boom! Voila, guys, there we go. And let's smash. Boom, 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 boom. Voila. Whoa! So we keep one piece of wood on the side, what goes under your pizza. Just a little flavor of the basil, not too much. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Wait, Francesco! Hello guys, from Maestro Iacopelli. Thank you, Francesco. Where are you going? Come here.
The wood.
How are you guys? And thank you so much for being here today. Wait, we're gonna show how this bomb will work. Guys, today I'm here to show you. I'm gonna make a video review about Zio Ciro 80, the one that I have in my house, in my studio, in my father's house. I'm gonna show you how this bomb will work with only wood. So basically it's a review about Zio Ciro 80, the size, with cooking only with wood. And I'm going to show you what to do if you have a wood burning oven, because it's very important. And then the reason why I start a YouTube channel is for one video in particular. It was how to clean up a wood burning oven, you know?
Yeah.
I start a YouTube channel because I made this video how to clean a wood burning oven. So I'm gonna show you also how to clean a wood burning oven. So special thank you to Zio Ciro oven, of course, link below. And I have a special guest right there, is waiting for his pizza, because today I'm going to make a very Neapolitan style pizza to my friend right there. Wait, yes, wait. I'm gonna make the best pizza for you. So stay right there. I'm gonna show my friends here on YouTube how this oven will cook with wood burning oven. So enjoy this video, guys, and smash the thumbs up and subscribe right there below. It's free. Enjoy.
It's so strange, this special guest, right?
It's very strange, yeah?
It's very strange.
Okay, guys, this is the oven. Like you can see, amazing. No gas, no can, nothing at all. You can see here is we put the cup. Right there was a cup that we put for the oven. So the first thing to do here is we put a couple of pieces of wood to warm up, and the oven is still all dirty on the floor. So I'm gonna show you in a little bit how to clean it up. But before, we're gonna put some flame and warm up the oven. There we go, that's how we do it. We put the piece of wood that was warming up on top the hot ash. There we go, just like that. And like you can see now, it's gonna fire up in a couple of seconds. Let's wait. Voila. Voila. Perfect. So now, the oven is been warming up for about 1 hour and a half or so. We have to build a little bit of ash before making the pizza. So now that we put a little piece of wood, now let's go ahead, let's clean it up a little bit. Guys, I'm gonna show you what to do in the very important step. Guys, if you have a wood burning oven, please follow this step, because it's the most important step to do when you have a wood burning oven, to clean the oven, because the ash on the bottom of the pizza is really bad for you. Francesco, please give me the wait, give me the what we need for this pizza, for the cleaning the oven. Vai. Boom. Voila, guys, there we go. Nice shot. That's what you need.
Catch.
That's what you need to clean up the oven. Now, humid towel. Okay. So let's set it up. Giro un attimo. There we go. So now this is how we do it. And so now we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. So we start from right here, from the front, and now we follow the oven just like that. I'm showing you really quick because I have other videos. So now we flip it over, boom, and then we go from the center to the sides. Make sure you do the sides, because that's the most important place to clean, the sides. Look what's under the pizza, under the towel. Hai visto, Frange?
Yep.
Look what's under the towel. I want to show you. Really good. Take a look. That's what goes under your pizza. So now, again, let's flip it over. On top. And we do it one more time to the other side. Turn it. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. Now, we're gonna go ahead and clean it all up. Just like that. Boom, boom, boom. And let me show you inside. Grazie, Francesco. You're the best.
Benata.
Let me show you inside how it looks like. See? The oven is all nice and clean, no ash. But the right there is the most important spot. The oven is in temperature when the oven is all the same color from the top to the bottom. When it's black, like that on top, the oven it's cold. So now we are ready to go ahead and wait 1 second, boom. We are ready to go ahead and make the actual pizza. But before, let's get a piece of wood. I use olive wood, and let's place the wood on the right side. Remember, the oven is at a hot, it's already in temperature. So we keep one piece of wood on the side, because when we are going to cook the pizza, boom, we put the wood on top and we cook it with the right flame, the pizza napoletana. So let's let it warm up and let's go ahead and let's make the pizza. Yes, it's coming, the pizza. Wait 1 second, I'm explaining my friends here on YouTube how to make the best pizza. Voilà la pizza, Francesco. Te la facciamo?
La facciamo, ma non parla.
It doesn't speak, no.
Doesn't say nothing.
It's waiting, no, it doesn't say anything.
Okay.
It's just watching.
Let's just watch.
Let's go. Let's make the pizza, guys, because our friend right there is waiting for. Yes, nice and hot. And here we are. We're ready. The moment of the truth. The moment if this oven will really work for cooking the pizza Neapolitan style in the wood burning oven. There we go. Take a look of this dough. Oh my god. Outstanding. To see how it's made, go ahead, check out my videos, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Little bit of flour. Guys, I'm gonna make a special pizza because, wow, my guest right there wants a special. Let's go ahead. Flour on the pizza dough. Voila, flour, a lot of flour. I'm using semolina. Little bit on the floor. Guys, the dough balls is about 260 grams. So let's go ahead and let's press. Boom, 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 boom. Oh man, take a look over the air. Flip it over. Press, press, press. You have to press with your shoulder. When you get this bubble like this, go ahead and pump it. Voila. Press, press, press. Now, let's press and let's stretch. Boom, 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 boom. Voila. Whoa! Take off all the flour and down. Wow. Pop it, pop it. Come here. Voila. And voila. So let's go ahead and let's make this pizza. This pizza is special. So just tomato sauce, extra tomato sauce. Voila. Boom, boom, boom. Little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Romano cheese. Voila. Romano. Voila. And that's it. That's it. Now, let's go ahead in the oven. But before putting the pizza in the oven, we have to do something special. You remember that piece of wood that we put in the oven? Now let's go ahead and let's place it on top of the flame. Just like that. Now you can see, take a look, we have the flame. This flame is what is gonna cook our pizzas. So let's go ahead right away, and now let's go ahead and let's put the pizza on top of the peel. Make sure the pizza peel, the pizza needs to be the same side of the pizza peel, because this is about 12-13 inches for 260 grams of dough balls. Now let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. Let's place the pizza in the center of the oven. Voila, just like that. And let's wait. Make sure you have the right flame. If you don't have the right flame, go ahead and put a little piece, small pieces of wood in the oven. Let's go ahead, let's check. Bottom is good. Let's check again. When it gets a little bit brown on the side, we have to move it. If it's white on the bottom. Let's check. Yeah, it's white, so we change spot. Let's change spot and let's put it this way. It cooks the bottom. When you change spot, it cooks the bottom. See? Now we're gonna still change the spot. Oh my god, take a look. Fantastic! Pizza is almost ready. Slowly, little by little. Little by little. There we go, almost ready. Let's check it out. Bottom is good. Now, one time on top. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now the pizza is lovely, fantastic, ready. Oh my god! Let me show you better the pizza. Ma stai vedendo?
Mamma mia.
Listen, listen. Crunchy and soft in the same time. God, take a look. Woo! Vieni, Francesco, vieni. Let's show our friends how this pizza is. Let's give them a close shot. Take a look, guys. Wow, that's the color, that's the perfection of a pizza. Listen. Light, soft. Take a look at the bottom. Oh my god. This is perfect. Guys, wood, it's wood, guys. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Now we're gonna put some spicy anchovies, guys, on this pizza. Spicy anchovies, outstanding. Take a look at this anchovy. Oh my god, this is perfection. Because our friend right there is waiting for his pizza. Wow. Wow, double wow. If you ask for where I got this, guys, I got those anchovies in Italy. So I'm not sure in USA if they really sell these anchovies. Wait, I'm trying to open those. Actually, you don't open it. That's how they are. Wow, smells so good. Oh my god, spicy. That's it. Little bit of fresh basil just on top, just to give a nice color, just a little flavor of the basil, not too much. Voila, boom. And now again, little bit of roman on top, just like that, not too much. Oh my god, the pizza is lovely, fantastically ready, guys. Yes, it's coming, it's for you. Wait, wait, guys, it's time. It's time to leave a thumbs up first of all, and then make sure to check out Zio Ciro oven. Cook with wood, outstanding. Really, the pizza came out. You judge. You judge. That's perfection. And now it's time to give the pizza to a special guest that is waiting for. So, you don't want the pizza? What's going on? It's a perfect pizza. It's a perfect pizza. You don't want the pizza? Why? Daddy. Oh no, Teddy! Teddy bird, la la la. You don't want the pizza? I made the pizza perfect for you. The customer, the viewer, they were waiting for you. I'm gonna give you a pizza. There we go. Yeah, yeah. Smash that like, guys. He wants the pizza. Yes or no? Yes, he wants the pizza. Guys, so let's go ahead and let's eat this pizza all together. Francesco, come here. Okay, Francesco, are you ready? He's waiting for. Ha! Wait, it's coming, it's coming. Wait. Oh my god, look at this spicy. Wow, take a look at this slice. Man, this pizza come out perfect. There we go, one for you, my friend. Daddy, you like the pizza? Yeah. Let's eat it. The wood is good. The wood is good. Guys, the pizza cooked with wood is the best. Smash the like for our friend Teddy Bird, for my friend Francesco, and comment below what do you think of this pizza. Ciao Teddy. Bye bye.